Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. 4th of April. Got me koala. It's a drop bear actually. Yeah, that's for the Australian subscribers. 4th of April, Wednesday, it's meat night at the Hideaway. And tonight is also the last meat night until the 9th of May. I'm off in the morning, I've got to go to Spain, sort more rubbish out. Nice to see Mum, but loads of aggro there I've got to go and sort out. So, anyway, that's enough about me. Tonight we have, it's okay, it's coming into low season, and we have, hello, how are you, Sabadi? Oi, oi.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi, Isa Pattaya, she's in the house. We have Mr. Andy Wright. How are you, mate? Looking good. Oh, he can talk. Put the cat at your tongue. Oh, the Andy Wright t-shirt. Good one. I want one for that. Thanks for coming, Andy. Always good to see you, mate.
Yeah, thank you. Hope you look good.
No, nice to know you can talk still. And
I'm going to follow you around.
he's going to follow me around. Oh, well. Kendall,
Oh, sorry.
how are you, mate?
I've got to sprint tomorrow.
Oh, yeah, I know. It's horrible. It's horrible. If you're going to Holland, you could be. Vivian, how are you, darling? And Mr. Pattaya Drona, Brian. Why's the missus right over there? What, you had a row? Oh, she's having a tie night. Good evening, sir. How are you? Thank you for coming. Geordie Corner. Say that in English. All right, thank you. Kendall's eating me. That's good to hear that. Why, you're Geordie as well? Oh, the police property. It's official.
London cab driver, black cab driver.
You're a black cab driver. What in Newcastle?
No, in London.
In where? In London. A black cab driver. How do you understand it? When you say to them that we talk really, please, they say, what's that? What's that again, Kev? Thank you very much for coming. Yeah. Tay. Oh, the other half of this half. Oi. Good evening. How are you? Speak up.
Not too bad. Just come to meet you tonight, see you on YouTube now.
All right. Thank you very much for coming. Justin, who's there with that one? How are you, mate?
I'm good, buddy. Nice to meet you, Kev.
Thank you very much for coming. Good luck, mate. Are you? Hello. Hey. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're from Glasgow. There's Geordies over there, you know. Yeah. Where was you from? Cleethorpes.
East Coast.
East Coast.
Right next door to Grimsby.
Next door to Grimsby. Keeping the wind off it.
That's the window.
All right. Thanks a lot for coming. Hello, gentlemen. Ladies, you okay, somebody? Good, good. Thanks a lot for coming. We're nearly in the corner. Nearly here.
How you doing?
All right, mate. All right, you. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Thank you very much for coming. Your children?
Yes. Jamie.
Jamie. And Oh.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh.
It was at the time.
Oh, Jamie and O. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Mama, how are you, somebody, mate?
Good, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Smiling
You didn't have to do that. Thanks a lot for coming. Thanks. Hello, Kev. Who's that? We got Leo and Lynn. How are you, darling? All good? Where you from? Mukdahan. Eyes of a Thai. Nid, she's from Mukdahan also. Yeah, see? You know her channel, Eyes of a Thai? Eyes of a Thai, Nid, lady. Over there in the corner, she's from Mukdahan. So you can watch her as well. Leo, how are you?
I'm really good, thank you.
Where are you from, Leo?
Originally London.
What side? The good side or south?
South East.
South East? What, a Bermondsey or? Born in Dartford. Oh, right.
South side of Dartford. Peckham, Brixton.
Yeah, and you're living here now?
At the moment, yeah.
At the moment? Not decided?
Well, we got married.
Oh, married?
Since Christmas.
When did you get married?
January.
January. Lucky for him.
Lucky for me, yeah.
Yes, lucky for Leo. No, you are unlucky. I'm sorry. Thank you very much for coming, Leo. Nice to see you. I've no idea who that is. He keeps throwing me about. Andy in the house. Warren, again, how are you, mate?
Nice to see you, mate.
Thanks for coming again, mate. Always good to see you losing the pool.
Oh, cheers.
Good evening, sir. How are you?
Alright,
Thank you very much for coming.
It's a pleasure. I'm just glad you didn't get me losing a ball.
Well, I noticed you weren't playing.
Hello, people.
Hello, people.
This way, Kev.
Thank you very much for coming. Where'd you get the t-shirt?
And you can print it specially in UK. To meet you.
Wow, how much was that?
£8.
£8. You can buy the official one for $7.99.
I'll bring one next time I come.
All right. Thank you very much.
Extra large.
Thanks for coming,
No
mate.
problem, my friend, no problem. Hello, Kev, how are you?
There's a Marine from Australia.
Yeah, g'day, Sandra.
Hello. This is the gentleman. This is the gentleman that brought my drop bear.
Yeah, right, yeah. And I hope it bites you tonight too.
Yeah.
Hello, Chumley.
Thank you, Champion Warner. So we've got Australia,
Laurie from Australia, Brisbane,
Brisbane,
Russell Island.
Russell Island.
Russell Island.
Right. So we've got Australia
We've got Billy.
and Belfast in the house. What close?
Laurie, Northern Ireland.
Low.
Laurie, Northern Ireland.
Thank you very much for coming.
We've got a bit more coming.
And thank you very much for the Samsung coat.
Not a problem, not a problem.
Thank you.
There's nothing wrong with it.
It's called a mini muff. It's to stop the wing noise on top of the camera. That used to say mini muff. I love muff. That's what it used to say.
Yeah, good one.
What can I say?
That's the football to be able.
Yeah, I don't want to go. Good evening, young man. How are you? Thank you very much for coming. Where are you from? Who? Glasgow in Scotland. There's another couple over there in Glasgow. A couple of young pups. Don't know what they're doing. Him and his wife, they're much too young. And I don't know why he's bringing coal to Newcastle. But she is gorgeous over the world, I've got to say. Thank you very much for coming. Good luck. Look at that. We've got Australia and one American.
From America, we're going to send a shout out to my homies in Albuquerque, New Mexico, from Pattaya, Thailand. That all.
We've got See, and this is what happens when Americans turn up. It never. He showed me a bottle of water like it was his. This is Captain Biff, and now you know why. Thanks for coming, Biff. Look at this motley crew, and that's with them as well. Hello, what's that? What, you vlogging me, vlogging you, vlogging me?
We're going to make America great again?
We're going to make Pattaya great again.
He just smashed the glass, he walked in. So you're from America?
No, I'm from Bankstown, the wood. Sydney, Australia.
Bankstown, Sydney.
He's a Westie.
You're from Sydney?
Sydney, Australia.
And you're wearing a mate, America great again.
Yeah,
I'm going to do something with that. Here, watch this.
Marine, what is that button on your body armor?
A peace symbol, sir.
Where'd you get it?
I don't remember, sir.
What is that you've got written on your helmet?
Born to kill, sir.
Now he'll see what I've done when he sees the video.
You go worldwide, Kev. You go worldwide.
I got a worldwide.
You go worldwide.
Thank you very, very much for coming.
Worldwide.
Good evening, young man. How are you?
Not bad.
With your good lady again. How are you, darling?
I'm good, thank you, Kev. Thank you very much for having us.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
And the Hideaway bar.
Leave him at home next time.
I tried.
I look taller, thinner, younger, better looking. It's this camera. Wide angle lenses are no good.
It all works for you, Kev.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Richard, in the house. Oi, oi, I'll be about. Thank you very much. God bless you. How are you, Richard? All the way from
San Jose, California.
San Jose. I'm going somewhere near that. I'm going to San Jose, Almeria, Spain, tomorrow. It's just up the road from where I live in Mojaca. There is a San Jose up the road. And a San Juan de los Toreros. I'll show you it in a couple of weeks in a video. Thank you very much for coming, Richard. Good luck to you.
Another fine day in paradise.
Hello. Oh, I come back soon. See. How much? For. Hey up! The girls will be happy. Hold on 1 minute. Hello gentlemen, good evening, how are we? We all alright? We all alright to be on? You okay to be on? You alright and white the back, alright? I thought I was starting again for a minute. How are we?
We get it tonight because Alex, he's one of your #1 fans.
Oh!
So it's Wednesday night, we've got to go to Kev.
Thank you very much, mate. Thank you for coming. So he's dragged you all here screaming. And kicking, Jesus. Well, it's a good job we made it tonight because I'm off to Spain in the morning.
Spain, nice.
Yeah, for a month. Almeria, Mojaca.
Almeria.
Oh, it's nice there, yeah, if I can have an overall out to get there. But I'll be back on the 6th of May. You have a good holiday, kid. Good luck with it. I'm going to need it. No, it's not. No, it's not. Thailand's much better. Thank you very much. You ain't getting one anymore. Mr. John Hendon's back. Well, you went to Torrix. Did you go to Torrix?
No, not yet. I stayed at home with daughter. I was ill.
You was ill?
Yeah, 3 months I was ill. Yeah.
3 months?
Flu.
Flu?
Cold after cold after cold.
Where?
Back in the UK.
Back in the UK.
I had a flu injection
Well,
and I was ill.
that would teach you to go back, wouldn't it?
I know.
You shouldn't go back. You know it's not healthy for people. So you didn't get to Spain.
So if I'm going
But now you're going again.
have a look, yeah. I'm not sure I'm going to end up living one day.
John's not sure if he wants to be here or whether he wants to be in Torrance in Spain. He's always an indecisive, really is.
I know what beer I'm drinking at.
You know it makes sense here.
It does.
And a lot cheaper.
Yeah.
So, whatever you decide to do.
Yeah.
All right, John, well, thanks for coming.
No, I feel like I don't usually go out much during the week now.
Nah,
No, just 2 weeks.
look, so we're all on it to see you. Yeah. Right, still vlogging, mate. Good luck. Nice to meet you. Make America great again. From Australia, make America great again.
From Sydney.
Okay.
You write born to kill on your helmet and you wear a peace button.
Nice thing. Anyway, that's the lineup, and we can now get on with enjoying it. What do you reckon, Andy?
We're going to miss you, mate.
They're going to miss me.
We're going to miss you.
With rifles, hand grenades, AK-40s. They've missed me with everything so far. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.